Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Lola Omobaba. Thanks so much for joining my cooking classes. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make toast bread in a unique way. Meant for 4 people. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make toast bread. My sliced bread is ready. My tomatoes, my onion, all my spices, butter, sardine, and 4 eggs for toast bread. First of all, boil 4 eggs in the pot for about 15 minutes. Then remove your sardine from the can into a bowl, into a plate, smash and mash them properly. Mash them properly to smaller portions. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of Cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of blended pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Knorr powder. Mix them all together properly and uniformly. Then start slicing 1 onion. Also slice your boiled egg after removing the shell. Slice it into the desired shape. You can choose any size or any shapes of your choice. Then slice your tomato. Start spreading your margarine or butter on the sliced bread. Spread them uniformly on the sliced bread. Make sure you switch on the toaster. After you switch on your toaster for some minutes, and you notice that that is a little bit hot, then start putting your mix sardine in your bread. Spread it uniformly on top of the sliced bread. Place it on the toaster. Then arrange your sliced tomato, onions, and 2 sliced eggs on the sliced bread. Cover it up with another sliced bread that has butter in it. Then close your toasting machine. To close your machine properly and tightly. Let it stay for about 2 to 3 minutes. If that green light is off, then it is ready. So you can remove your toast bread from the toasting machine. Make sure you allow the green light to be off. Do another batch. Spread the sardine on top of the sliced bread that has butter in it. Then start arranging your 2 sliced egg, tomato, and onion. Then cover it up with your sliced bread that has butter in it. Then close your toasting machine tightly. So you can leave it for about 2 minutes. Then once the green light is off from the yellow light, then it is ready. As you can see, toast bread is ready. The toast bread for today is for 4 people. Just about 8 portion of toast bread. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching my cooking classes. Bye.